And there you have how to make a homemade gingerbread coffee. Hey y'all, and welcome back. This morning for day 8, we're going to make a gingerbread coffee latte is what I'm going to call it. I don't have an espresso, but I do have a one-pot coffee maker. So that's what I'm going to be using. Let's get started. We're going to be using this measuring cup to put ours in to mix it up, and then I'll put it in my coffee cup. Oh, I got the top off. We're going to put about a half a teaspoon of molasses. Not much. Because in gingerbread cookies, you put this. And then we're going to put our ginger. Just a dash for 1 cup. Don't take much. Some cinnamon. Some clove. So right here you're making a gingerbread coffee latte without any syrup that you buy that has that flavor. Now we're going to take this, and to mix all this up good, we're going to go ahead and put our coffee on top of it. This one is the old one, so it takes it a while to get started. But now if you had an espresso machine, you could do an espresso over this mixture. But we're just doing 1 cup of coffee. Okay, we got our 1 cup of coffee brewed over our mixture. And now we're going to blend it. So if you like that gingerbread coffee creamer, or either the gingerbread sugar-free coffee syrup, you can make it yourself. But now using the molasses, you're going to have a little bit of sugar in there. Now we're going to pour it in our Christmas little coffee mug right here. So I'm going to add just a little bit of this coffee creamer, a little bit of heavy cream, and just a couple drops of vanilla. Not much. And then to balance it all out, just a couple dashes of salt. Now we're going to blend this. And we're going to make us a topping for our gingerbread coffee. Now I got this little whisk at Walmart, but y'all can get them off of Amazon. And it works great for mixing your stuff up and to make your lattes with, or your creamers for the top. Now we're going to pour our cream over the top. And then to that, I'm going to add just a dash of cinnamon. And there you have how to make a homemade gingerbread coffee latte. Let's give it a try. If y'all like that gingerbread coffee creamer, you got to try this. It is delicious.